We're here in East Hemet on a rainy Saturday. You see all this rain kind of being wasted, but here's our landscape install. We got Texas Rangers, lava rock, Arizona river rock, gray DG on this side, some yarrow in that corner, and then on this side, same thing with the black lava rock. We have olive tree, the DG pathway. Check that out. Pretty solid after the rain. And then the Arizona river rock bioswale coming around. Guava here, the olive, lavender, yarrow, white lantana, purple lantana, toyon, and this guy's really cool. Salvia gray guy, hot lips. The red and white flowers, pretty cool there. And that is our install in East Hemet.